If you ever receive an email that looks suspicious, don't panic. I'm going to show you exactly what to do, step by step, so you stay safe, protected, and unscammable. When a suspicious email shows up in your inbox, the first step is simple. Don't click anything, don't reply, and don't open any attachments. Check the sender's address. If it looks strange, misspelled, or unfamiliar, delete the email immediately. Opening an email alone usually does not infect your device. The danger comes from clicking links or downloading attachments. If you opened it by accident, you're likely safe. Just delete it and run a quick security scan. Some spam emails contain tiny tracking pixels. If you open the email, it can tell the scammer your address is active. That's why you should delete suspicious emails without opening them. Deleting removes the message. Blocking stops future messages. For most people, especially seniors, blocking is the safest option. Use your email's block or report phishing button. If your inbox explodes overnight, your email was likely leaked or sold. Here's what you should do. Change your password. Turn on two-factor authentication. Block and report spam. Stop opening suspicious messages. And consider using a second email for shopping or signups. Spam slows down when you stop opening it. Block senders, mark messages as spam, strengthen your password, and avoid entering your email on random websites. Suspicious emails are becoming more common, but you don't have to fall for them. Stay alert, stay protected, stay senior-minded.